Hey everyone, it's Adam and Scott here with the Knowles Woolsey team, your East End specialists. And today we're at our newest listing at 18 Chippawa Court. Guys, we're back in the old East End of Barrie, one of the best neighborhoods you can possibly be in. We're at the end of a quiet court. You're just a few steps to Johnson's Beach, quick access to Highway 400, and you got all these mature trees we know and love.
Oh, what a combination, mature trees and a court location. This listing is all about versatility, guys. Whether you're looking for that family home, 3 bedrooms up, 1 down in the lower level, we got 2 beautifully updated bathrooms and 2 kitchens. But 2 kitchens, what's that mean? If you're looking for an investment property with 2 units, this one works perfectly as well. Come inside and we'll show you what we're talking about.
One of the unique characteristics about this home is its versatility. Not only does it work fantastically well as a single family, but if you're looking for some possible additional income or you have some in-laws that want a separate space of their own, this fantastic finished lower level is excellent, has an additional kitchen, bathroom, and 2 separate entrances. This one checks all the boxes.
If you're looking for that backyard with lots of extra room for the kids and pets to play, we've got you covered here. How about that evening bonfire? How about extra privacy with no houses in behind us? In addition to that, we got not 1, but 2 outdoor sheds for all your storage needs. And if you haven't already, your next step, guys, is to pull out a map and have a look exactly where Chippawa Court is located. Most people in Barrie don't even realize it exists, a true hidden gem.
For more information on this listing and others like it, check out our website.